Both crude oil benchmark plunged 25% on Monday, dropping to their lowest since February 2016 and recording their biggest one-day percentage decline since January 17, 1991, when oil prices fell at the outset of the U.S. Gulf War. Oil prices rose 8% on Tuesday after investors eyed the possibility of economic stimulus a new coronavirus case slowed in China. China, the world's second-largest oil consumer, is trying to get people in hard-hit Hubei province back to work by using a mobile phone-based monitoring system that will allow people to travel within the province. Crude was also supported by hopes for a settlement to the price war and potential U.S. output cuts. Meanwhile, Tesla plans to increase its production capacity for a certain car part as its $2 billion factory in China, as it pushes to localize its supply chain in the world's biggest auto market. The U.S. automaker, which started delivering Model 3 electric sedans from its Shanghai factory in December, plans to add lines to make more battery packs, electric motors, and motor controllers. Tesla is seeking to almost double its annual building capacity for cooling pipes, a key part in a car's heat management system, 260,000 set a year from 150,000. The company is also building an additional stamping line to speed up car production in Shanghai. Finally, Samsung Display, a supplier for Samsung Electronics and Apple, has asked Vietnam to exempt 700 engineers from coronavirus-hit South Korea from a mandatory quarantine, saying they need to prepare for the production of screens for new smartphones. Vietnam has mandated 14-day quarantine for people coming from South Korea to curb the spread of the virus, which can be transmitted from person to person and has already reached more than 60 countries. South Korea has reported one of the highest number of infections outside China. This has come as a blow to South Korean firms, which are the biggest foreign investors in Vietnam. Samsung Display runs a factory in the Southeastern Asian country where it assembles OLED display used in smartphones made by Samsung Electronics, Apple, and Huawei.